Hello, I'm Sarah, and I'm doing a slime makeover. Well, not a makeover, I'm gonna be ruining some slimes. Except, then in my next video, I'm going to be fixing my slimes. And so, yeah, let's begin. Yeah, I'm only going to do some of it because some of this really pretty purple because I do not want to destroy this. So I'm going to just rip off a piece and destroy it. Only a piece though because yeah. So I don't want to destroy this. So sad. So sad. Okay, one sec. I'm gonna go just there we go. Make the video, okay? It's a slime thing. Don't touch. Now let's move that. Put this here so I can just make it on there. So I'm gonna use one of my different slimes, which is a black slime, to color this one and ruin it. So, here. It's actually making it thicker and more breakable too, which is worse than I thought it would be, but okay. And so in my next video, I'm going to fix the slimes that I ruined. Okay. Technically, I'm probably only going to ruin this one. Only one ruined. And then I'm going to, in my second one, give my old slimes some nice makeovers, like my old slimes. Yeah. So, I have a limit how long I want my video to be, which is 3 minutes. So I don't think I'm gonna have time to do another. Yeah, it didn't take another ruining slime, but I can ruin this one, and then in my second one I'm gonna have 4 slimes that I'm gonna fix. So.
Hey guys, Fortnite's working.
Yeah, there it is. Actually, it looks quite pretty in the mirror thing, but it's almost it's a dark black here, before, after. It looks way different, but with the screen, you can't really tell, but yeah. So, please subscribe, and I'm gonna do a slime makeover in my next video. Bye!
Bye!